How to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch settings, scroll down and open apps. Tap on app management option. Now choose particular application you want to remove. From this section, tap Disable and tap Disable App button. You need to note that Disable App won't run and will no longer appear on your app drawer, but they won't be completely removed. Next method is simply you need to launch Google Play Store, log into your account, head towards Profile at top right and select Manage Apps. Now choose Manage option. From install list, you need to scroll down and locate the particular app which you want to delete or uninstall. And now tap the trash button at top right corner and confirm by tapping uninstall. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.